my name is Gabriele Rossi Rognoni, and I am the curator of the Royal College of Music Museum. Our collection includes over 1,000 historical musical instruments, and connecting this heritage with our musicians is one of our top priorities. However, playing original instruments is not always possible because of the fragility of the materials and the risks that are inevitable when using delicate objects. This is particularly an issue with wind instruments, where the humidity of human breath can cause irreparable damages after even short performances. For this reason, we started exploring the possibilities offered by 3D printing in a project developed with the University of Turin and the Natural History Museum, and generously supported by the DCMS Wolfson Museums and Galleries Improvement Fund. We identified several of our most precious instruments, many of which originally made of ivory and endangered materials, and we are now experimenting with materials and printing techniques aiming to obtain fully functional copies of a quality that is suitable for advanced and professional performers. The process starts with a highly detailed CT scan, which captures the shape and details of the instruments with an accuracy of fractions of a millimeter. The models are then analyzed, and eventual damages and the effects of time, such as warping or bending, are virtually restored.
Hello, I'm Ashley Solomon and the Head of Historical Performance here at the Royal College of Music, and I just wanted to share a few thoughts about this new wonderful project of reproducing some of our very precious wind instruments as 3D prints. Behind me in the case are some extraordinary instruments that are very valuable, very precious and very rare. And for our students, it's much more than just being able to see them through the glass cabinet. We want them to experience what it's like to play these instruments. So these printed copies allow us to feel the instruments, understand the sound, and a little bit more about how makers produce these instruments for specific pieces in specific areas of Europe, and what it feels like to play and understand the nuance of sound in the 18th century.